Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Klover. Let's get straight. First up, for pre-linking requirements, so you're going to need to ensure that your bank is eligible. So you want to check that your bank account is supported by Klover, and also you want to gather the required information. So you got to have your bank account login credentials and account information ready. Now, for linking your bank account to Klover, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the link account or connect bank button, and then you just want to search for your bank in the list of supported institutions, and then just enter your bank account login credentials to authenticate, and then select the bank accounts that you want to link to Klover, and just authorize Klover to access your account for data aggregation and transaction monitoring, and then just verify that your account has been successfully linked. So a couple of tips for linking your bank accounts to Klover. I got a couple of tips for you guys. Just 4 tips. The first, of course, is to ensure a secure internet connection. So you want to make sure that you link your account using a secured internet connection so as to protect your data. Also, you want to use strong login credentials. So you want to make sure that you have strong passwords and stuff for your bank accounts to prevent unauthorized access. Also, you want to monitor your accounts regularly. You want to make sure that you regularly review your account transactions and balances, just so you can detect any suspicious activities on your accounts. Also, you want to make sure that you update your account information as needed to ensure accurate tracking and recommendations. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.